In this video, I'll show you how to remove default clothes in Roblox Avatar. Now what you want to do is head over to roblox.com and from in here click here and go to Avatar. Now once you're in here, what you want to do is find all your default clothes and unselect them. Now as you do this, you'll see it will automatically remove the clothing like this. The default clothes will get removed and you can do that with all of it. Now if you want, you can head into head and body and do skin tone, click on advanced, and from in here you can choose some other colors. So let's say for the head you want to have it like orange. Let it load for a little bit and then you'll see it will be orange. So you can customize your character completely by choosing different colors like this. And if we do this, he should look kind of like a rainbow. Now just let it load for a little bit if you change a lot, and you'll be able to see it once it is done loading. Just like that, as you can see. So that's basically how you can change and remove the default clothing and replace it with some skin colors. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.